Hey guys, back again, and this is our finale booster box pack opening. Me and my bro are gonna do this one by one. We got 5 packs each. I'm gonna open up the first one, then my brother's gonna go after, and we're gonna do it like that onwards. So hopefully we'll get some EXs. Let's do this. There goes Zygarde. Okay.
Get that bad boy code as well. Cool.
Like I said, I'll go first, and then Jay will. Power Memory. Aerodactyl. Ultra Ball. Seal. Fennekin. Gothita.
Binacle.
That's the one. Whatever that one is. And Reverse Power Memory. And an Altaria EX. Look at that.
Fallout. Yo!
Yo! It's so nice.
Does
Right.
look nice, yes.
Let's pop that at the back. Go.
My turn.
Chinchino.
Energy.
Spoink.
Spoink. Solacis. Binacle. Rylu. Minchino. A reverse Spoink. And finish it with a
Holo Rare. Delphox.
nice.